If you want to get the best drill according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill DC D791D2. If you take on projects that have you drilling lots of holes and sinking long screws, we recommend stepping up to the DEWALT DC D791D2 20V Max XR Li-ion brushless compact drill / driver kit. This is a larger, 20-volt drill. It's very powerful and extremely comfortable to hold and use, and the little convenience features, such as the belt hook in the case, are spot on. This larger drill completes tougher jobs much faster, doing the same work in less than half the time, with a battery that lasts longer. The well-positioned LED can also be switched on independently of the drill, a unique feature that makes it a rudimentary flashlight. For around-the-house tasks, the added speed and power are often unnecessary. But for more production-oriented work, such as putting down decking or building a garden shed, they make a noticeable difference. Moving on to the next, at number 2 would be BOSCH HPS31 12V Max 2-speed drill. It still has more than enough power for general home tasks. In our own measurements, we found it to be about 5 ounces lighter than the DEWALT 12V. The BOSCH battery slides up into the handle, making the grip fatter and not as contoured as the DEWALT's. Also, the LED doesn't illuminate as well. The number 3 position is held by DEWALT XTREME 12V Max Cordless Drill DC D701F2. The DEWALT DC D701F2 XTREME 12V drill combines power, comfort, and convenience in a way that none of the other tested drills do. In our tests, it bored 31-inch holes through 2x10 on a single battery charge. These results show the drill can handle just about anything within the 4 walls of a home, and even the occasional foray into more aggressive work, like a small decking repair. The DEWALT drill's power is on a par with that of some other models we looked at, but it particularly excels in ergonomics and convenience features. The molded handle seems to account for every curve and bulge of the hand, making this drill the most comfortable we've ever held. The battery is designed so that the drill can stand upright when not in use, and the LED is positioned so that it illuminates the drill front better than most. The DC D701F2 also comes with a nice belt hook, and the battery gauge is located on each battery rather than on the tool, so you can check batteries without having to insert them into the drill. Next, at number 4 we have Milwaukee 2800-122-18. If the DEWALT 20V drill is not available, we also like the 18V Milwaukee 2800-122-18. It's a 20V Max XR Li-ion brushless compact drill / driver kit. This Milwaukee model has only a single setting light that turns on and off with the drill. Those are minor points at best, however, so if you're already invested in Milwaukee's cordless tools, or if you find this drill at a lower price. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by RIDGID 18V. RIDGID RA7012 18V brushless sub-compact cordless drill driver kit. This is a relatively new category of tool, one that is closer to the size of a 12V yet uses 18V batteries. Combined, this places the RIDGID drill right between the two classes in power and size. The tool has enough power for more substantial DIY projects such as light framing. We see it as a good drill for someone starting out on the DIY road who may not want to deal with the heft of the larger drills. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.